Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain QUAPITAL app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, a quick review about this platform. QUAPITAL is a goal-based saving and investing app that automates your money management, set up custom rules like rounding up spare change, saving on each coffee purchases, or automating savings from your paycheck, and the app moves money from your linked checking into a capital saving account. High plan include a checking account with a debit card and a robo investment features that build portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance. But it's not perfect. Several users report frustrating delays when transferring funds, occasional app crashes, bank connection issues, and restrictive withdrawal limit. Customer service is often slow and unresponsive, and there are monthly fee typically between $3 to $12, making the app less appealing. So if you can't take a full advantage of its features, so while Capital is a smart and fun for automating savings and basic investing, it might not suit users who need a steady transfer, strong support, or who want to avoid subscription costs. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.